Hi you guys, welcome. Today I want to show you how to make one of our absolute favorite Thanksgiving desserts. Pumpkin Haupia Pie. Yeah, you heard that right, Haupia. Now if you guys don't know what Haupia is, it's basically this coconut pudding gelatin-like dessert that's just a staple in Hawaiian food and Hawaiian luau's. Now, I'm from Hawaii and I could not leave the island without knowing how to make this super yummy dessert. So let's go ahead and get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't done so yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you guys know when I upload the next video. If you guys are on Instagram, don't forget to tag me too so that I can see all your wonderful, wonderful, delicious pies. My Instagram handle is @Fidel. I will be sure to put the entire recipe in the information box down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.